In today's video, I'm going to show you OBS Studio setup for live stream. So if you're trying to live stream and you're using the OBS Studios, I'm going to show you the settings, the ways that you can live stream. To get started, open up your OBS Studios app. As soon as you open the app, you'll see a similar interface. Now first you need to select a scene. If you doesn't have a scene, you can click on the plus icon and add in and rename the scene. After that's done, the second thing is you need to add in a source. If you click on plus, here you can add in tons of options. To capture your screen of your laptops or your PCs, you can click on display capture. You can rename this and click on OK. Here it will capture everything of your PC and laptop. You can also add in other things. Again, if you click on plus, you can add in text, and also you can add in your webcam. To do that, you can click on video capture device and click on OK. Now as soon as you do that, your webcam will open up and will start to capture. Here you can choose your webcam and then click on OK. After that, it will show up on screen. You can drag and move it around to where you want it to be. Next is the section of the audio. So if you have a mic, you can click on this three lines on the mic section and head over to properties. Here you'll see all of the mics that you have on your device, and you can choose a mic and then click on OK. Next, you can also manage the quality of the output of the video and the streaming quality. Click on settings and head over to stream. From here you can choose the platform where you want to stream. So if you want to stream on Twitch, you can enter in use stream key. You'll find the stream key on the platform of Twitch or any other platform that you want to stream. You can click on connect account if you don't find it, and you can log into your Twitch account and it will straight take you to the section where the stream key is located. You can click that and click on OK, and you will be ready to stream on any of these platforms. You can also enter in hotkeys such as start stream, stop stream, and a bunch of other keys. This way you will no longer need to use your mouse. You can just use a keyboard to use the commands. Here you can manage your audio and the output section and the video section. So if you are streaming games, then you can choose a higher FPS, click on apply, and all the settings will be applied. Now the last thing you can do is click on start streaming. I didn't yet add a streaming platform, so it is showing up, but if you have added, your stream will start on the platform you chose.